guys, welcome back. My name is Summer and I have a really fun little DIY project for you guys to try at home today. I'm working on a new design makeover transformation for the Cuppingers family, and I am doing their living room, their dining room, and their kitchen. We're waiting on some bigger furniture pieces to arrive, but in the meantime, I wanted to share with you some fun little DIY projects that I am doing in this space. And so in their living room, I would like to create a really fun gallery wall mixed with family photos. I'm even gonna have the kiddos do some cool little art pieces that we're gonna add in there. But I really wanted to personalize it and add in a really fun little technique using found photography, or like using photographs of found letters of the alphabet. So for example, my name is Summer, so I would find maybe I could draw like an S in the sand and take a photo of it. Or I could, be walking across the street and see like maybe it looks like a T in the sidewalk. So you can either do this yourself by taking photographs, either if you have like an iPhone you could do, or you have a nice camera you could use. If you also don't want to do this on your own, you can simply just purchase these online. I actually did a project very similar to this in college, and I just think it's such a cool, fun little idea, and it really personalizes the space. I did not take my own photographs for this. I actually downloaded some on Etsy, and I was able to download them immediately. And I have all of these letters to choose from, and I am going to resize them, have them printed out at Staples, and frame them and mix in the letters of the alphabet, or the letters of their last name, into this gallery wall. So stay tuned to check out what I do. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please help your girl out and subscribe to my channel. It would help me out so much. And I promise you're not gonna wanna miss all of these really awesome makeover videos that are in the works. So stay tuned and check it out. I hit up Etsy to see if I could find some downloadable images that were like found letters of the alphabet. Again, you could do this yourself using your iPhone or a regular camera, and just have the images, put them on a flash drive, take them to Staples, and have printed. For the sake of my DIY project, I just went ahead and downloaded these. They were super easy and they looked great. So I'm out here on my patio, and you saw in the computer where I was showing you the photographs that I downloaded and purchased from Etsy. Again, you can make your own if you wish to do so by saving money. That's a good way to save money. I kind of wanted to be quick and just get this done with, so I purchased some. I took them, some of them I had I resized them to 5x7. They came at 4x6, but I wanted to mix and match them. So either if you can resize them, you can use Photoshop to resize them, which is what I did. Or you could simply just take them to Staples and tell them to increase the percentage, or you could have them print them at 5x7, which way you do it. Or you could purchase them. They actually had different sizes that you could purchase. So the ones that I downloaded specifically, and I'll link those below, came sized at 4x6, but you could also pay a couple dollars more and get them sized up if you didn't have a software program like Photoshop or some other program to resize for you. Anyways, moving onward, I went and took the pictures. I put them on a flash drive. I dropped them off at Staples and safely picked them up conveniently, and they were only $2 to print. I again use Photoshop quite often, so I put multiple on a page so I could just save myself a little bit of money for printing. So some, again, I resized at 5x7, some are 4x6 as they came. And I'm gonna cut them out, and I went to Goodwill and picked up some very inexpensive frames, some of which are extremely hideous. Like this one is not very cute, or this one is really not cute, but I'm literally just gonna like take these things off. Like, look at that, that just came off. It didn't even make a mark. This one came off, didn't make a mark. This one, cute idea, but not cute for what we're gonna do. I don't know why anyone would have this framed a glass or a drink. It's weird. This one, not cute. This one, god awful. I'm literally gonna just like this one. It's, I don't even know what it says. Oh, it says fa la 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 la. So it's like a Christmas decoration. So I guess it's kind of cute, but I'm literally gonna like take this off, probably paint this. But these were all, I went to Goodwill and they had this huge sale. I actually waited in line for a solid 30 minutes. I'm not even kidding. But I got in, everything was like 50% off. So I got all of these frames for, and I think I got a couple other things, but I think I got everything for like 20 bucks. So that's kind of a lot. So a lot. Oh, I also got these frames. I mean, I got a lot of stuff for $20. So this one is also hideous, but I'm gonna just simply like peel this paper off and redo my own thing in here, and I think it's gonna look great. We're also going to use spray paint to paint all of these frames black once I take all these ugly things off. I'm gonna cut my photos that I had printed at Staples and put it in, and they're gonna look awesome. So I'm just cutting out my letters, but I just wanted to say that this is also a really great idea for a gift idea. I actually have done this as a wedding gift idea for a couple of friends of mine. They actually still have these in their house, which are so cute. Or you could do it for like a nursery. Like how cute would this be in a baby's nursery of your baby's name? So just like fun little cool trick to try at home. Which their last name is, what am I saying? Their last name is Cuppinger. Personalized way. What's this weird thing in my hair? This dog like won't stop barking. Blah, blah, blah. I hate when I do this.